So I just want to prove that all these young men, they are just our village volunteers. Where is the sophisticated weapon that the national media is talking about? We don't have any. These are village volunteers. I repeat, these are village volunteers. All the news outlets saying that this is a fight against the Kuki militant. I just want to show with proof. As you can see, this is our brave village volunteers. And I'm just so proud because they are protecting our land. They're protecting.
And mostly they accuse us of using sophisticated weapons. If you have been on the ground, and I salute you for that. But on the ground, you might have seen it that most of our boys, they are defending themselves with these single barrel guns and also pipe bombs. Pipe bombs, indigenously they created this pipe bombs. Not pipe bombs. It is a pipe gun. It is a big pipe gun. So they have no choice. Yeah.